Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to integrate Asana with Google Sheets, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So follow along and let's climb into it. So first of all, we're going to start this out in Asana, okay? And let's just also make sure that we have our Google Sheets open, and we can just name this Asana Integration. So let's go back into Asana, and we're going to go over to one of our projects. I'm going to use this work requests, and over on the right, you'll see Customize. Once you're in Customize, you will see Apps, and from here, you're going to click on Add App. Right, if you don't see Google Sheets from this list, you can literally go and dial it in. Here it is, let's click on it, and as you can see on the left, you can't just click on it and install it. So let's click on Learn More. This will now open a tab to the integration how-to or their guide, and the main thing that you will see here is right at the top it says Install Google Sheets for Asana. Now once you open that, it'll open up their help center, and from here you'll find all the necessary links. So right at the top you will find some information, and if you scroll down you'll see a Getting Started. Now you need to install the Asana Exports add-on in Google Drive using this link. So let's go and open up that link, and you can find this in Google Workspace Marketplace. So if you need to just go there directly, you can use these dots over here on your Google page. It'll bring down this menu, and if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see Google Workspace Marketplace. You can simply search for Asana Exports, but essentially we want to click on Install. Right from here, it will ask you what account you would like to use to install, and you are simply going to click on Continue. From here, you will have to give some access and permissions, and we are going to say Allow. Without allowing these permissions and this access, you will not be able to make this integration. You can see now it says Asana Exports has been installed. So if you go onto your spreadsheet in Google Sheets, you're going to see in your ribbon, as it shows here, you will see the extensions. So let's go over to Google Sheets, and let's first of all refresh this page. So let's go over now to extensions. Let's open it up, and you'll see right here at the bottom, Asana Exports. The option here is Sync with Asana. Let's click on that and give it a few seconds to sync. It says Sync with Asana. Let's edit or enter the project name, portfolio, or search and export link. So straight from here, you are going up to Asana again, and from your project page. So let's just go back into this project, and where you see the name of the project, you can use that drop down menu, and you'll go all the way down to sync and export, and you should see in here an item that says sync to Google Sheets. Once you've clicked that, you'll get a link, okay? And you're going to paste that link in over here, and Google Sheets will now be integrated with Asana.